How to post on CapCut. So for this, go ahead and open your Google Play Store first and foremost to check whether your CapCut is up to date. So right here, search for a CapCut application. Tap on the suggestion shown and wait for it to load. If there is an update bubble, simply leave it for an update. If not, you can directly go ahead and open your CapCut. So right here, here's the thing. To post on your CapCut, you actually have to be a creator on CapCut. For that, you have to go ahead and edit your videos again and again in your CapCut. So if you are a creator on your CapCut, once you export a video something like this, you will have an additional option of upload as a template at the bottom of share to TikTok option. If you have the option of post as template, you simply have to go ahead and tap on it. And furthermore, you can also go ahead and write a description of the video or the template that you are posting on your CapCut. So make sure that to enable yourself as a creator on CapCut, go ahead and edit as much as video as you can in your CapCut. So go ahead and give this a try, and thank you so much for watching.